Hello YouTube, this is Matt here from Vectis 3D Models, here with another instruction video for KR Models Bulleid Leader, the improvement class. So here we have the front end of this model, and as you can see in front of us we have the part I'll be speaking to you about today. This is the motion cover, which is just down in front of the model, just here. And this is all 3D printed in one piece and has two legs at the back of it. So unfortunately on this model there's quite a few errors, as I've already stated, and on the bogie unfortunately the cylinders and the valve gear is just all way too far forwards. So unfortunately there's going to have to be a little bit of trimming and a few casualties, which means the removal of this fake oscillating valve gear here in front of the model. So tools wise you'll need some flush cutters, and you'll need some varnish and some glue and glaze or something on those lines, and we'll have to trim down the back of the legs on this cover to fit, because obviously everything's too far forwards, and then hopefully it should look a lot better. I would advise before fitting this it's probably best to paint the cover in satin black, or whatever black you wish, matte or satin. So with that said, let's carry over to the workbench and we'll start doing some work on this model. So I'm just going to tack the new valve gear cover in place. As you've already seen, I've removed some of the ends to make them shorter, and I'm going to use some glue and glaze on the end of the legs of the cover just to hold it in place, and you'll just need some tweezers to hold the cover while you try and get it into position. It's quite fiddly, so please be careful. So there we have it, fitted the valve gear cover, and hopefully that helps some of you improve the look of your Bulleid leader. Of course you will have to remove some of the, well, most of the oscillating valve gear, or the fictitious representation of it, but at least the cover kind of hides most of its sins. At the end of the day, these items, or this item, is available on MadeMe and also on eBay, and have been selling quite well, as have all the other parts that you have seen in these small little instruction videos. I also have a few more bits and pieces to add. I'm not going to say which ones, but they should be available in the next few weeks, fingers crossed. But for now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.